Hey guys, welcome to another segment of In the Kitchen with I Am Michelle. If you haven't subscribed here, make sure you do. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and you can always drop your comments down in the section below. So for today's video, we're making garlic butter shrimp. Excuse my hat, I'm feeling very festive today. How cute is that? And I think it still has a tag on it. Don't mind me. Alright, so yeah, we're making garlic butter shrimp with mashed potatoes and a vegetable. I think the vegetable is going to be broccoli. So let me go wash my hands. Pause. Alright, so I'm going to wash my hands. And I have my water boiling right here. Alright, so I have my potatoes here, and I have my water boiling right here to cook those potatoes. I normally just add salt to the water, so I'm going to quickly peel these potatoes and go ahead and wash them off, of course, and put them in the pots. Alright, and as I'm quickly peeling these, because my water is just boiling away, I have my potatoes, I have my vegetable peeler. I know I said that I wanted to do that $100 giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. I thought I could see everybody from the admin portion. I could see in YouTube Studio, all the YouTubers, you know what I'm talking about. You can see like at least 90 days subscribers. I think up to 12 months. However, I think it depends on whoever subscribes, however they have their settings set up. You can't really see everybody. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to do a trivia segment at the end of this video. So if you guys are, if you truly watch the I Am Michelle post, this question should be super easy for you. So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you're gonna see me post that. I'm gonna ask a question, and then the first person who answers is that $100 winner. And there will be more giveaways on this channel. I guess I just have to figure out how I'm going to do that, or how, what is the best way to choose a winner for each of these prizes. If you guys have any suggestions to that, go ahead and comment down below. How do you do it on your channel if you do giveaways? Should I maybe, I don't know, comment down below and help your girl out, because I definitely want to do some more giveaways. And you guys, don't subscribe just because you want to receive things, or because I give away money or other prizes and surprises, things, whatever I give away will be pretty exciting. And I try to do things that are helpful, or that you will find somewhat helpful, especially with this, with the Christmas season and everything like that. So yeah, don't just subscribe because you want to receive prizes and surprises. I really do hope you guys enjoy the content. If you think there's anything that I'm capable of doing that I don't necessarily post, or things that you would want to see, you can comment that down below too, and I'll try to make it happen for you. Okay? Alright, so you have to peel these potatoes. Don't forget to stay tuned, and I am gonna post the trivia question at the end of this video, or in between, or whatever. So make sure you watch the video. Okay? Alright, let's get into this quick meal, because you guys know I don't like to be in the kitchen for a long time. I get in, I get out. Alright, so I'm only doing 4 potatoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these off and put them in the pot. Alright, so these are the type of prawns that I bought the other night at the fish market. They were in my freezer. I took them down, defrosted them, and I decided to make garlic butter shrimp with them because they're so huge. I mean, I'm gonna show you. This is my palm. While I do have small hands, look at one of these guys. Look how huge that is. They're pretty big. So I'm pretty much just gonna butterfly them, which means I just cut them down the middle. You don't completely split them, but just enough so you can open it up and it lies flat. And I'll show you. Okay, so they've already been deveined, as you can tell, but I'm just gonna basically follow the slit that's already been made, and I'm just gonna cut them down the middle. You don't want to completely separate it. You still want it attached, so you don't cut it all the way through. You cut it just enough so it opens up just like that, because I'm gonna bake these essentially, so you want them to lie flat in your pan like that, kind of like a lobster tail almost. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of these, and then I'm gonna wash them in some lemon juice, and I'm gonna show you how I season them. Look how beautiful that looks. So these are washed and ready to go. I just laid them out on my baking sheets, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making the garlic butter. That's pretty much just gonna go over them, and we're gonna put them in the oven. I'm already preheating in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make the butter now. Okay, so first I have some fresh parsley that I've already washed. I'm gonna go ahead and finely chop this. I'm gonna cut this part off, which is the stems, and I'm gonna fold it in two, and I'm gonna chop this up as finely as I can. It smells so good, so fresh. So let's start by chopping this up. Alright, so it doesn't have to be super fine. Like this consistency is good. I'm just put these in a bowl. I have some right here. Alright, so we have our parsley. To this, I'm gonna add some butter. And this is that, I can't believe it's not butter. Butter. Get it? Okay, so this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. Maybe do a little bit more. You need some for mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. Alright, we're gonna add about, I don't know what that is, maybe a tablespoon of garlic as well. Well, at least we're gonna start with that. See how that goes. Cover this up. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Paprika, and this is smoked paprika. Like much. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this all-purpose seasoning. Just that. And believe it or not, I'm also gonna add a little bit more of the garlic powder to it as well. It is garlic shrimp, so you want it extra garlicky. At least I want it extra garlicky. Alright, I'm gonna mix this up. And I like this butter because it stays soft even though you have it in the refrigerator. You're not like struggling with some hard butter. Looks like that, and this is our garlic butter. All right, so now we're gonna take our shrimp, which I've already placed on a tray. As you can see, I laid them out nice and flat, and I like this this fish seasoning. I think I use it on all my seafoods, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little over it just for some flavor. You guys know I'm Jamaican, so I like bold flavors and bold taste. And we're just gonna do the one side because we're really just gonna eat the meat from this part here, from the center. And then we're going to just slather our garlic butter on top, like this. Get this little tail out the way. Garlic butter all over the shrimp. This little one is just smushed in here because I ran out of room and I didn't want to use another tray. So you're just gonna go one by one and slather on your garlic butter. Not the healthiest of recipes, but it certainly is tasty because this is legit all butter. And I hope you wash your hands because this could get very, very messy. And you could also grill these too if you want. I'm just gonna put them in the oven. I am not a griller at all. Alright, so this is what they look like. Slathered up in garlic butter. And I forgot to put the lemon juice in the butter, so I'm just gonna squeeze a lemon over it. Just some lemon juice all over it like this. You don't have to do this part, but I don't know. The lemon just gives it a nice little citrusy vibe that I like. So I'm just gonna squeeze this all over. This is just a half of a lemon. I use the other half to actually wash the shrimp. I squeeze it in the water, put the shrimp in, washed everything, cleaned all the extra, whatever veins and things that were in it. I did all that, and then I had a half remaining. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick these bad boys in the oven at 250 degrees. It should bake for about 10 to 15 minutes and you're good to go. Alright, so I put them in the oven. They're going in. That's what they look like. so vibrant with the parsley. I also sprinkled a little bit of black pepper on top as well. Alright, so potatoes are ready. I've added butter. I already added salt to the water. And I added butter. I'm gonna add some milk. That's pretty much how I mash my potatoes. This is really a avocado masher, but I'm just gonna use it for today since I can't find my my potato smasher. At least that's what I call it. And this is pretty sturdy too, so it works perfectly. And you pretty much just mash. And it works really well, actually. You just mash your potatoes. And I don't like my mashed potatoes like super smooth. I like it a little bit chunky. I don't know, how about you guys? And I'm gonna add my milk. All right, now this is unsweetened almond milk. Just gonna add just a dash of that. And I'm gonna continue to mash this up. All right, so the milk just gives it a nice creamy texture. And I'm not gonna completely mash this out because I don't like it super duper like smooth. Alright guys, so if you've come to this part of the video, now is the time for our trivia question to see who will be that $100 winner. The question for today is, in my last vlog, my travel vlog to Malta, what was the name of the tour guide when we did the horseback riding? The first person to answer this question in the comments down below, you guys are the winner of that $100. All right, comment below. Also, this is the finished product, and this is what it looks like. This is another super quick video, or super quick meal rather, that you guys can try it at home. You guys don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. There will be more giveaways on this channel. If there's ever time to give back, I always try to give back. So thank you guys for all the love. Thank you for all the support. And I really hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next one.